Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Don't fail asking Mikhail. Well, today's lesson is going to be about how we evaluate rational exponents or number raised to rational exponents without the usage of calculator. All right. So let me see how we to do this. If I have, all right, coming up, these four examples over here. First of all, I want to change this one to radical, okay? So that is the same as cube root of 16 squared. All right, so what we do here, that's the cube root of 16 times 16. Well, equals to what? That's a cube root. You can do to each 16 to be 4 times 4. But I like to do 2s, the smallest one, which is 2 times 2 times 2. That's 4 times 2, that's 8. Oh, I need 16, so times 2 again. That will take care of the first 16. And the second 16 will be another 4, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Now, because it's a cube root, that means every 3 twos, 1, 2, 3, I'll take outside the radical 2. That's 1. All right? Every 3 twos, I'm going to take 1. Another 3 twos, I'm going to take what? Another 1. How about 2 times 2? Uh-oh. The only 2 twos. I need 3 twos. So cannot those be staying inside the radical will be 2 times 2 and cube root. The final answer is 2 times 2, 4, cube root of 4. And that's my final answer. All right. Now, how about this one here? I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to change it to radical. So radical 27 over 64 all square. And the cube root. All right. It's a cube. Remember, the denominator is a degree and the numerator is the exponent. So that will equal to what? So if I want to change this one, the cube root of 27. What do you know about 27? Exactly, that is 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 times 3 give you 27. So that is 3 times 3 times 3 give you the first 27. Don't forget, it's a 27 square. All right. So because of the square over here, we'll do it twice. Another 3 times 3 times 3. How about the bottom? Well, let's try the bottom to do by 4 or by 2s. By 2s is going to be so many 2s, like 2 to the 5th. That will give you like 10 2s on the bottom here. Let's try 4 first. So 4 times 4, that is what? 16. Times 4, that gives you 64. Perfect. And because it's a square, I do it again. Again, for the same reason, it's a square. So times 4, times 4, times 4. Now, for every 3 of the same number, I'll take 1 out. I have 3, 3, 3 over here on the top. I have this 3, 3, 3. So I'm going to take 1 out. That will be outside the radical as 3. Same thing, I have 3, 3, 3. I'll take 1 out. Will be times 3. And the bottom, 4, 4, 4. I'll take 1 out. 4, 4, 4. I'll take 1 out. That's going to be 9 over 16. And that is my final answer. Now, how about number 3 and number 4? 8 to the negative 2/3. Well, first of all, because it's negative, I have to have a positive exponent. So it's going to be 1 over 81, not 8, I'm sorry, to the positive 2/3, which is equal to what? That equal to 1 over, if I want to change the radical, 81 square cube root. All right, tells you that the 3 goes here. Let me change the color. I apologize for that. The 3 is the degree, and the 2 is the exponents. So that equals to what? 1 over square root, the cube root. 81 is very much 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. All right. So that will equal to 3 times 3 times 3. That is 27 times 3. But we're saying 81, 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27 times 3, 81. But it's a square. It's, remember. It's a square. So because of the square, I'm going to multiply it by itself again. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Now, for every 3 threes, I'll take one out. 3, 3. And now inside, I have 3 times 3 because there are only 2 of cube root. So the answer is 9 cube root of 9. All right. The last one. How about this? What we do here? Well, if I change it to exponent, because I have this 4 outside of the radical, so that is the same as 5p to the power of 4 divided by 3. The 3 is the degree, always go to the denominator, which is the same as the cube root of 5p to the 4th power. That equal to what? 3, that's the cube root, 5 to the 4th, p to the 4th, which is equal to cube root 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Why, Mikhail? Why did you write it 4 times? Well, because it's written to the 4th power. Each one is the 4th power. So I'm going to do each one 4 times. Times p, let me change the color. So times p 4 times. So for every 3, because it's a cube root, every 3 I'll take out. So 3 will be 5 one out, and the one inside. So 5 cube root of 5. And 3 p's, p cube root of whatever left p. My final answer is 5p cube root of 5p, and that will be my final answer. So that's how you solve exponential exponents without the usage of calculator or by simplify. I hope this one helps you, and I'll see you next video. For don't fail, ask Mikhail. You guys have a great rest of the day. Take care.